painting the Buse GM dealership with the FasTrim Roller system. In the dealership, we painted over 10,000 square feet of area, including 7 offices which had 10-foot high ceilings with commercial T-bar, and in the 9,000 square foot showroom area, all ceilings were 12-foot high with commercial T-bar. In order to show the power of the paint shield system, I used the 12-position adjustable applicator in conjunction with the 3 and 5-inch mini roller covers. We also utilized a prototype 3/4 by 4.5 jumbo mini with paint shield components. The 3/4 inch covers demonstrated that we could apply paint covering at least 50% more area with the load than the 1/2-inch minis. You will watch in this section where we cut in 22 lineal feet of walls next to the ceiling 12-foot high. This was done in less than 60 seconds. With the adjustable applicator on an extension pole used to perform the majority of the cutting into T-bar, there was absolute minimal brushwork required. The showroom, with over 450 feet of perimeter walls, was cut in less than 2 hours without getting on a ladder. This section shows cutting to the ceiling with the 3-inch paint shield. In the congested offices, which had 10-foot high walls, cutting in, not needing a ladder, was a real advantage. In the majority of commercial paint jobs, there are surfaces to be painted next to aluminum storefront type frames. This can be both windows and doors. Many of these areas with gyprock type returns would typically require substantial, time-consuming brushwork. Watch as 16 feet of a typical gyprock return, which was 10 feet off the floor, is painted in a matter of 45 seconds. No ladder and no brush was required. An amazing time saving. For the purpose of this demonstration, I used my 5-inch mini roller brush as well as a 3/4 inch jumbo mini with paint shield components. A normal process to paint this surface would be off of a ladder or from a rolling scaffold. Those methods would turn 45 seconds into a 4 to 5 minute project. Here we show a 10-foot high section with a 3-inch wide return painted at high speed using a 3-inch paint shield roller. With the applicator on an extension pole, we are able to eliminate both ladder and brushwork with the paint shield system. The close-up shows no brush line, no ladder, no paint on the frame, 25 seconds. In this repaint, as well as the majority of other commercial and residential repaints, the paint shield rollers are invaluable in cutting in next to doors and a multitude of other trims. You will notice the 7-foot door length cut in seconds, and a close-up showing no brush lines. The main entrance was a commercial blue frame. We cut in next to them with the 3-inch paint shield roller covers. You will see from the close-up, no paint on the frame, no brush line. Anyone who has ever cut down to commercial rubber base and/or to a caulk surface knows it can be a challenging task. You will watch as I cut across commercial rubber base and tile base. The tile base was caulked with a clear silicone caulking, and the paint shield roller glided across the top of the caulk surface. Besides delivering a superior paint job without brush strokes, the entire project was painted in less than 50% of the time that would normally be budgeted for a project of this size. Whether you're doing commercial or residential repaints or maintenance work, you will be amazed at the benefits of the paint shield system, making painting easier, quicker, better.